Good morning, children. So let us start a new lesson, multiplication and the division. So it is lesson number 4, beta. And in the 4th standard, you have learned how to multiply the 2-digit number with 2-digit and 2-digit number and 3-digit numbers. Now in this class, you will be able to multiply the large number. So for that, beta, first we will learn multiplication properties. Okay, so to multiply any number, first we must know the properties of multiplication. And the first property is, beta, if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number or the number itself. So first property is when a number is multiplied by 1, the product means after multiplication the answer is known as product. The product is the number itself. Okay, means if you multiply any number, any large number or any small number by 1, you get the number itself. For example, see the 5 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 2, 3, 8, 9 multiplied by 1. You will get the same number. 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay. And the second property is when a number is multiplied by 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Okay. For example, see 15 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. 7, 8, 6, 3 multiplied by 0, you will get 0. Means if you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Okay, beta? Now let's see the third properties. Third property tells us product of two numbers does not change the sequence or the order of the numbers. The product of two numbers does not change in the order of the numbers. Means what better? While multiplying, if you change the order of the numbers, the answer remains same. For example, see 2 multiplied by 3 is what? 2 3s are 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. 2 into 3, 6. And 3 2s are 6. Means if you change the order of the numbers, the answer remains same. Now the next property beta, regrouping. Regrouping means if you want to multiply more than 2 numbers, and if you regroup, every time you get the same answer. Regrouping of numbers does not change the product of the number. For example, see beta, if you multiply 3 numbers, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so you can regroup it. Means first you multiply 2 multiplied by 3, and whatever the product, when multiplied by 4, you will get. Or you can do like this, 2 multiplied by, first you will multiply by second and third term, and then it multiplied by the first term. Or you can multiply first and the last term, and then it multiplied by the second term. Okay, now tell me what is answer. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 4 3s are, now see here, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Means beta, regrouping of the numbers are allowed in multiplication. Okay, so got it beta? The properties of it is known as, this property is known as commutative property, and this property is known as associative property. Okay, now let us learn then another term. A number by 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples. Okay, now see how to multiply any number by their 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, or their multiple. So let us learn first. We will learn to multiply by 10. Suppose the number is 1, 2, 3. When multiplied by 10. So how will you multiply by 10? See, 10 has 1 0. So put 1 0 first. Now multiply the number by 1. And we already learned if any number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number or the number itself. So it is like this. Or now let us learn to multiply a number with their tens multiple. Now again we will do the same thing. See, 20 has 1 0. So put 1 0. Okay. Now what is left, beta? 2 is left. So multiply the number by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. In this way also you can multiply a number by 30 or up to 90. You can do the same thing. Again 30 has 1 0, right? And multiply the number by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So got it, better? How to multiply any number by 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. You can apply the same method. Okay, so write down 0 and then multiply number by 1, 2, 3 or up to 9. You can do the same. Got it, better? Now let us learn how to multiply it by 100. Now a number is multiplied by 100 and the multiples of 100 means 200, 300 up to 900. Okay, so how will you do better? Now see, again you have to do the same thing. 100 has 2 zeros. So write down 2 0 first. Now what is left? Only 1 is left. So multiply this number by 1. So you will get 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, and 1 1s are 1. So you will get this number. Now multiply this by 200. Again it has 2 0. So write down first 2 0 as it is. Now only 2 is left. Multiply this by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So 123 multiplied by 200 is 246, and this 2 0. Now again you can solve like this. 300. So write down first these 2 zeros. Now multiply the number by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 1s are like this. Got it, beta? The same way you can multiply a number by 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. So what to do? First write down the 0. It has, so suppose if you want to multiply it by 1000. See, 1 2 3. So put 3 0. It also has 3 0. Got it, beta? How to multiply 10, 100,000 and their multiples. Okay. After that, children, beta, let us learn multiplication of large numbers. multiplication of large number. Okay, so let us learn first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 multiplied by 104. Now see this 104, it is not the multiple of 10. Okay, so you have to multiply separate each digit by this number. So what to do, beta? First we will arrange these numbers vertically. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and multiply it with the 3-digit number. Okay, now see what to do. First, we will take 4 and multiply each digit of this. Okay, now we will leave one place for this. Now we will take the second digit and multiply all the numbers. Then we will take this third digit and multiply the all digits. Okay, so starting with the right side. So always the multiplication is start with the right side. Right side means from the ones place. So first we are taking 4 and multiply all these digits by 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 fives are 20. Carry over 2. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Carry over 1. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1. 9. Got it, beta? Now the multiplication by 4 is over. Now we will take the second digit. So for that, beta, we will leave it is tens place. 0 is in the tens place. So we will leave ones place. For that, you can write 0 or you can write this cross. Means we have to leave this ones place. So only for that we are write this. Okay. Now we have learned if any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0. So after multiplying it, we get 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 5, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it, beta? So it is, this line is by multiplying all these digits by 0. Okay. Now what is left? This third means 100 places. So for that, we will, it is hundreds place. So we will leave this tens place and ones place. So here we will put either 0 or you can write cross. Okay, now multiply these digits by 1 and we have learned if any digit is multiplied by 1, we get the same digit. So 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3 and 1 twos are 2. Okay, so what to do after this? We will add all these things. 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 4, 13, carry over 1, 1 plus 3, 4 and only 2. So it is the answer. Got it, beta? In this way, you can multiply 4-digit number, 5-digit number. Okay. Now let us see one more example. $3,429 multiplied by 507. Again, we will arrange all these numbers vertically. So 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 9 multiplied by 507. So what to do, beta? First, we will start with this 7, ones place. So we will multiply all these digits by 7. So what you get? 7 9s are 63. Carry over 6 here. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Carry over 2. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Carry over 3. 7 3s are 21. Plus this 3. It is 24. Okay. Now our multiplication by this ones place, that is 7, is over. Now we will take the another digit 0. So for that beta, it is 10th place. So here we will lay this ones place. Okay, and we multiply all this by 0. So what you get if you multiply all this by 0, you will get 0. 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now we are taking the third digit 5. So it is 100th place. That means what you have to leave 10th place and ones place. Okay. So for that we will put cross in ones place and cross in 10th place. Now we will multiply 5. 5 9s are 45. Okay. So here we will write 4. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 40. Carry over 1 here. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Carry over this 2. 5 3s are 15. And 15 plus 2, 17. Now our multiplication is over. Now we will add all these things. 3, 0, 5, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, this 7 and this 1. Got it, beta? So it is what? Multiplication of large numbers. So in this way, you can multiply any numbers. Got it, beta? So bye-bye, beta.